Here I have Vivax Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open settings. Then you have to go to the sound section. Then to phone ringtone. Here you have the whole list of the pre-installed phone ringtones. You can select one of those, you can select none of these and just have your phone muted. You can also add your own ringtone by selecting any MP3 audio file from your phone's memory, but as you can see I have no audio files here, so I'll just select one of the pre-installed ones and I'll just select my all-time favorite banger. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.